If you are using any kind of automated trading without, you have a computer program that's, executing your trades for you, you're not going to qualify. If you have an investment manager, you're not going to qualify. And if you're just trading retirement funds, you're not going to qualify. The biggest piece is this middle piece. You have to substantiate to the IRS that you are in the business of trading. If you have a full-time job someplace else, you're probably not going to qualify based on the trading that you do, because you're not doing continuous training in the time that you spend trading versus the time that you're working at a full-time job is going to be lopsided. But if it's the only thing that you do, then, and this is where you get your money from and where you're supporting your family and all of that, you can pretty much meet these other requirements.